Okay, for quadratic inequalities, we're basically trying to solve that, pretend that has an equals there, get all our information, do a sketch, and then show that on our graph. Now, obviously we can work that all through algebraically. If we've got our calculators handy, it is quicker to just pop that in there. So we have 3x squared, we've got plus 5x, take 2. When we graph it, we have got our sketch there, and we're wanting when it is less than or equal to 0. So we've got our 2 points here. We can find them on our calculator by finding the zeros. So I just have to tell it where to look. So the first one I want to go between -10 and 0 because that's going to tell this side of the y-axis. So I get at -2. And then I want to find the other one. So I will do second trace 0, and I want between 0 and 10 to look on the other side of the y-axis. And so I get that is at a third. Then I look at the graph and I go, okay, well, where is it less than 0? Is it on either side of those zeros, or is it between them? So in this case, our section is going to be this part of the line underneath. So between, so x is going to be greater than -2. Or less than 1/3. So that helps us to solve for that there. Your other option is to factorize this one up here and do it that way to then be able to sketch and go from there. But if you've got a calculator, sketch it, work out which section you're looking at. If this had been reversed and we're saying the function was greater than 0, we'd be looking at these parts where it is above the x-axis. So then your signs would be switched here, because you'd be saying when it is less than -2 and more than 1/3 to show the other sections of that graph.